Tell me about yourself. That one sentence has made my heart skip more beats than I can count. Hey everyone, it's Emma, and welcome back to the English Podcast Show. I still remember my first job interview, where I completely froze when they asked me to introduce myself. I thought I was prepared, but no one had ever taught me how to talk about myself with confidence.
And I'm Alex. You're not alone, Emma. Most English learners struggle with introductions, whether it's in the classroom, at work, during the IELTS test, or even while making new friends.
So today, we've got you covered. We're going to break it down by real situations, give you natural sentence patterns, and share rich vocabulary to help you shine when you speak about yourself in English.
And later on, Maria will give us 10 powerful words and expressions you can use to boost your self-introduction instantly.
Segment 1. Introducing yourself in a classroom or course. Let's start with the classroom. Whether you're starting a new course, joining an English class, or giving a quick intro in a study group, keep it simple, friendly, and clear.
Here's a sample. Hi, I'm Alex. I'm from Canada, and I'm currently studying computer engineering at University of Toronto. I'm really interested in AI and programming, and I hope to work abroad after graduation.
Hey everyone, I'm Emma. I'm originally from London, but I live in USA now. I'm taking this course to improve my fluency because I want to feel more confident in international meetings. Tip: add something personal or fun to be more memorable. In my free time, I love photography and watching nature documentaries.
Segment 2. Talking about yourself at work or in meetings. Now let's move to the workplace. Maybe it's your first day at the office, or you're introducing yourself in a team meeting.
Here's how you can keep it professional but warm. Hi everyone, my name is Emma and I recently joined as a content manager. I have a background in communication and digital marketing, and I'm really passionate about creating engaging English content. Looking forward to learning from all of you.
Or like this. Hello, I'm Alex. I work as a junior developer here. I specialize in back-end systems and I'm currently working on improving our database performance. Outside of work, I enjoy playing chess and hiking.
Always try to include your role, your expertise or background, a soft personal detail to make it relatable. Segment 3. Introducing yourself to new people or in social events. Now, let's imagine you're meeting someone new at a networking event, party, or club. Your tone should be casual, friendly, and a bit fun.
Like this. Hey, I'm Alex. I'm a huge tech nerd. I build apps and play around with code. I also love traveling and capturing street life through photography. What do you do?
Or something like, Hi, I'm Emma. I host a podcast to help people become fluent English speakers. I'm always on the hunt for good coffee and better conversations. Tip: add a hook, a fun detail or passion people can ask about.
Segment 4. Talking about yourself in the IELTS speaking test. The big one, IELTS speaking part 1. This is where you're asked simple personal questions to break the ice.
Let's give an IELTS style answer. Question: can you tell me a little about yourself? Sure. My name is Emma and I'm 24 years old. I'm currently a university student majoring in English literature. I'm taking the IELTS exam because I plan to pursue my master's degree in the UK. In my spare time, I enjoy journaling, baking, and learning about different cultures.
Notice how it's clear, organized, and full of relevant details. I live in a small town near Delhi, but I've always had big dreams of studying abroad. I consider myself hardworking, curious, and a bit introverted.
And if they ask about your strengths, you could say, I'm good at staying focused under pressure, and I enjoy working independently. I also love helping others improve their English skills.
Segment 5. Golden phrases you can use anytime. No matter the situation, these phrases can make you sound natural. I'm currently based in. I specialize in. I have a background in. I'm passionate about. In my free time, I enjoy. People often describe me as. One fun fact about me is.
Hello again, it's Maria, your vocabulary buddy. Here are 10 advanced and natural words, phrases to include in your self-introduction. Aspiring, hopeful about future goals. I'm an aspiring data analyst. Multilingual, able to speak several languages. I'm multilingual. I speak Bengali, English, and a bit of Polish. Curious by nature, naturally interested in learning. I'm curious by nature and love exploring new topics. Detail-oriented, pays attention to small things. I'm very detail-oriented, especially when coding. Driven, very motivated. I'm a driven individual who always gives 100%. Adaptable, able to adjust quickly. I'm adaptable and enjoy working in dynamic teams. Collaborative, works well with others. I'm collaborative and enjoy brainstorming ideas. Innovative, creative and original. I love coming up with innovative solutions. Self-motivated, works well without supervision. I'm self-motivated and manage my time well. A people person, enjoys being with others. I'm a people person. I thrive in social environments. Choose 2 to 3 of these and blend them into your introduction.
Talking about yourself doesn't have to feel awkward. With the right structure, vocabulary, and a bit of practice, you can own your story in any situation.
Whether you're in a classroom, an office, an exam room, or just meeting someone new, you've now got the tools to sound confident, natural, and impressive.
We've also created a free downloadable PDF with templates and sentence starters for each situation we talked about today. Grab it from the description below. Don't forget to subscribe to the English Podcast Show. Share your own self-introduction in the comments. We just might feature you in the next episode. Until next time, keep speaking, keep shining.